Keep your hands out front. Keep your hands out. Look at me this way. Where are you going? What? You going backwards? What's that all about? Okay, turn around. You got it. Nice, Otto. Good. Otto, you're doing great. Come on, honey. Come to mommy. You're skiing, Otto. You're skiing. Come this way. Whoa!